So the industrial space kind of encompasses a lot of different products, right? We can make just about anything. We have our aerospace industry, we have our medical industry, and we do very cool things within those two spaces, right? But it doesn't mean we can't make other things as well. And we as a company have to be careful that we can't be the jack of all trades either. But our equipment can really make anything. We make missile parts, we make gun parts, we make things that go in tanks, we make things that go in airplanes. We also can make things that go into your body, and things that can go into toys. And it's quite fascinating, all the things we can make, quite frankly. And you don't want to pigeonhole yourself, because the right product might not fit into this specific bucket, but it'll fit into the machine, and we can provide a good quality part on time. So it's more about a fit with the customer and a fit with us. And do we have the same values, and do we have the same goals, and can we provide you what you need when you need it, and do we have a good working relationship, and let's go make parts, right? But a lot of times with the industrial space, that's different from aerospace and med devices. There's not a ton of extra quality, extra paperwork requirements, and people don't want to pay for that. So we have systems set up in place to be able to make that widget or that part X for that that general use customer that provides it at a cost-effective solution with all the quality that the other industries require, just not all the extra costs. If we can get a set of prints and a set of requirements, we can really quickly decide or determine if that's the right fit to take care of your needs. And again, it's everything from one piece to 400,000 or 500,000 units. It doesn't hurt to reach out and ask, because we have all those capabilities within our facility.